Making it easy, understanding passive infinitives in English. Hello, English language learners. Today we're going to dive deep into an important and interesting aspect of English grammar, passive infinitives. This is a key part of mastering English verb forms, so let's get started. Before we jump into passive infinitives, let's quickly revisit what an infinitive is. The infinitive is the base form of a verb, often preceded by the word to. For example, to read, to write, and to eat are all infinitives. Now, what makes an infinitive passive? A passive infinitive is formed by using the infinitive of the verb, to be, followed by the past participle of the main verb. So, to be loved, to be seen, and to be understood are examples of passive infinitives. Let's move on to the usage of passive infinitives. These can be used in a variety of contexts. 1. After certain verbs. Some verbs are typically followed by passive infinitives. For instance, believe, consider, expect, report, and understand. An example sentence is, the book is believed to be written by an anonymous author. 2. After modal verbs. Modal verbs like can, could, may, might, must, should, etc. are often followed by passive infinitives when we want to convey a sense of necessity, possibility, or obligation in a passive form. For example, the documents must be submitted by Friday. 3. To form passive voice in future or hypothetical situations. Passive infinitives are also used to form the passive voice when we are speaking about future or hypothetical situations. For instance, the bridge is to be completed next year. Practicing is key to understanding and using passive infinitives effectively. Here's a quick exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct passive infinitive form. 1. The project is expected, blank, complete, by the end of the month. 2. The stolen painting is believed, blank, find, soon. 3. The cake must, blank, eat, before it gets stale. Answers. 1. To be completed. 2. To be found. 3. Be eaten. That's a wrap on passive infinitives. With practice and regular use, you'll find that understanding and using these verb forms will become second nature. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, takes you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and you'll get there.